Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I just wanted to quickly film a get ready with me. I just wanted a really quick and easy makeup look. I decided to just quickly film it for you guys, and also if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this hair look, I will be uploading the video for that after this video, so make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already, and turn on the notification bell so that you guys will know when I upload. Let's go ahead and get started. So I did my eyebrows before I started because that does take a long time, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my eyebrows, I will leave my most recent eyebrow tutorial link down in the info box. The primer I'm going to use is the BECCA First Light Priming Filter, and this one has like a lavender tint to it. This was complimentary from BECCA Cosmetics. And then the foundation I'm trying out today is the BECCA Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. I'm using the shade Buttercup. And the brush I'm using is the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. And for my under eye, I'm using the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector. For concealer, I'm going to use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the color Creme Cafe. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC25. I'm going to quickly set my under eye with some translucent powder. And I'll also set the rest of my face with powder as well. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm also going to take a little bit of Throw Shade and just pop that in my crease. Now I'm going to take the color 24K on a fluffy blending brush and just dust that all over my lid. And I'm just going to take a little bit of shine on and just put that in the inner corner. I'm going to take the color Hollow. I'm just going to apply that on the bottom. And then going back with Throw Shade, I'm going to buff out that color. I'm also going to take a little bit of 24K and just apply that right in the center. So instead of doing eyeliner, I'm just going to take Hollow and apply that really close to my lash line just to give it a little bit of depth. Now I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes, apply some mascara and some falsies. The lashes I'm wearing are Superficial Darling Lashes. Always make sure to curl your lashes. Like, it doesn't matter what lash I'm wearing, I always curl it so that it lifts and opens up my eyes. That's how you kind of get this like fluttery eye look. It's so important to curl your lashes. I'm going to tightline with a dark brown eyeliner. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Pencil in the color Double Life. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Sigma Blush Palette, and I'm going to take the color Quarter Rosa. So I just like to take my foundation brush and with the edge just kind of go under it, just to give it that sharper look. And for my highlight, I'm going to use the Spice Velvet Midi palette from OFRA Cosmetics, and this was gifted. I'm going to take the color Star Island and just dust it on my cheekbones and my forehead. Now for my lips, I wanted to use the Profusion Lips to Go in the color Bear. They actually sent me the Kissable Lips to Go. I loved it so much that I had to go pick this one up because I really want to try this color. I'm going to go in with the lip liner first. And then I'm going to go in with the Velvet Matte Lipstick. And then I'm going to top it off with the lip gloss. I'm applying that to the center first. Then I kind of smudge it around and apply it to the rest of my lip. I'm honestly so obsessed with the Profusion lip set. Now I feel like I need all the colors. Before I forget, I'm going to contour my nose with these two colors right here. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed spending time with me, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!